Page 22, Jingle Bells. 4/4 time, so we're counting to 4, and we're counting quarter notes. Let's take a look. At the beginning, you're still in middle C position, at least to start. So you hear, connect all of these, and then lift up between the phrases, and that's second measure there. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2. So you gotta get in the eighth notes. That's pretty much it. For 22, you can get that, I'm hoping. Then on page 23, the first line is similar to what you've had, but the second line, look out. You have to move your right hand up one key. Up here, you have a rest, several rests to do it, so while sometime in those rests, you move the hand up. Just have it here before you need it. So in the second line, you're here. Play both hands together. Doesn't that sound nice? And now you're going to move the right hand back down into middle C position. Have it ready to go. And then you have these. Look out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And so watch out on this rhythm. And there's staccatos there. So I would use a nice light wrist staccato here. And then the next line, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Make sure you hold the left hand whole notes down the full 4 counts they get. Be careful on that. And then in the last measure of that fourth line, you're here to hold the left hand down as you do that. And then you're going to repeat back up to the reverse repeat sign of the line before. You're going to play that part again, except now you see the first and second endings? The first ending, that is the last 2 measures of the fourth line. That's the first ending. You see the one with the line? That's the first time you play it. You play that. And then when you repeat and you go back up, now you skip it because you only play it one time. And you do the second ending, which is the last line, the last 2 measures. And so, and that's the way that works. Now make sure in that last line on page 23, you connect all these notes. Those all have to be connected. And that's pretty much it for this. It's not that, I mean, it's such a common piece. You probably already know it and the rhythm and all that. But I just want to make sure you understand everything in the music that you're seeing. I'd like to play it with you slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms because you know this goes fast. It's a happy piece. But we're going to go slow. You can do happy on your own later on. So I'm going to give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and rest and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 3, rest. 4, 3, 4, 4 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. Repeat. 4, 4, 1 and 2, 2, 3, 4, 3 and 4. Take the second ending now. 1, 2, 3, 4, off.